anti-Zionist. Like, oh shit. Why was that so rough? Those fucking muscles. Give me another pose. Show that back. Show your back. A little bit. You're good. I know that's right. Ooh. Holy fuck. Wow, you look like a fucking lesbian in this picture. Ooh, the gay magazine. All these cute boys. Let's see. I'm trying to see cute boys, not fucking advertisement. Let's see. Ooh, cute, cute, cute. We are Cure ED. Wait, not R. I'm dyslexic. There's no R in there.
Oh, erectile dysfunction.
That's for erectile dysfunction?
ED.
That's, oh, I didn't know that. Yeah, are you guys going into this? Oh, I thought it said Katy Perry. Kickoff party, carnal. Ooh, so close to anal if you think about it. If you just put the A right here, it's cranial. And then if you take off the CR, it's anal plus. Friday, May 23rd, are you guys going? Is this Jesus? Girl, get out of here.
Get out of here.
Ooh, more gay stuff. Ooh, nice butt. Ooh, look at him. Ooh, the black card. Are you the black VIP membership? And then, ooh, I know that. I mean, I don't know who that is. Ooh, look at these. Cutie, what a hottie. Ooh, look at these queer legends, queer icons right here. Holy shit. Wow, we look good, Char.
Yeah.
We look fucking good.
Put that up.
Look at that. Oh my god, we compliment each other so well. I think it's kind of fun. Ooh! Ah! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! That was close. Ooh! Yeah, good shoving. Viento.
I don't have any band-aids.
I don't need one, I'm fine. It's already. Eating through the fishnets. In the next video.
Go. Fuck. Hey.
This one is for me.
Hey. Hey, yo.
Maze will get that reference.
That's so hot.
Did you just moan?